hello beautiful people, it's Amanda. Today I'm going to be showing you another one brand makeup tutorial. This time it's e.l.f. and I was able to get all of these makeup products for the full face for under $25. So if you want to see this look, please keep on watching. So first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my face with the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and put it on all over the face and just rub it in with the fingertips. Now what I'm going to be taking is their foundation for acne prone skin, and this is in the color Sand. This right now is a little bit too dark for me, so I'm just going to lighten it up with some lightening drops by Catrice. So this is the only thing that's not e.l.f. brand, but I don't have an e.l.f. lightening drops. I'm just going to take it and dot it on my face. Take my oval blending brush. To be taking the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Light Beige. I feel like it's very hard to get it out of the applicator. It also is not that bright of a shade, but this was all that my Target had. So I'd maybe need to go even lighter than this light beige. I'm just going to be taking my beauty blender. Yeah, I don't know how big of a fan I am of the concealer. Again, maybe because it's not appropriate for my skin color, but I don't know, I felt like it was hard to get out the concealer from the tube, and I don't think it really did that much, but we'll see. Going into the little e.l.f. Bronze Peach palette that has a bronzer and a blush all in one. I'm going to be taking the Precision Multi-Blender Massager from e.l.f. This goes for about $12, and dipping it into the bronzer. And just blending it into my cheekbones and out. Taking my blush brush and just dipping that into that same palette. Whoa, it's very, very pigmented, this blush. Blend it out. Too bright for me, not a huge fan of how bright it is. I'm just going to go over it just a bit with that brush I use for my foundation. Just so it's a little bit more, not wow, in your face. Okay? Now moving on to some eyes. I'm going in with their e.l.f. Seaside Sweetie eyeshadow palette. Just looks like that. Taking my fluffy brush, going in with a highlight shade and just dusting it all over my lid and on my brow bone. eyeshadow brush and I'm going in with this top left color and just sweeping that over the entire eyelid. I'm going in with this silvery shade. And we're going to put that in the crease. Now I'm going to be going in with this green shade with my pencil brush and popping it into the crease, but I'm not going all the way throughout the entire crease. I'm just going to stop halfway when it gets to your pupil. And going in with the final fourth shade, that brown shade, and popping that right into the V of the eye. Going back in with that green. Putting that into the crease. Going in with that silvery shade and popping that on the inner corner of the eye in that crease and dragging it upward. I'm going in with the E.l.f. eyebrow pencil in natural brown. Taking the eyeliner brush by E.l.f. in the color black. I'm just going to put it on, sweep it on my eyelid. Length and Volume mascara in the color black. And lastly, we're going to be taking the blushing brown lipstick. Just putting that on the lips. And this is the final result.
Oh yeah, pretty, 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 pretty girl. You're a pretty, 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 pretty girl. You're a pretty, 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 pretty girl. Oh yeah. Hey. He used to break me down. made me question how I looked and who I was.